Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SSD with Macrium Reflect on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your SSD with Macrium Reflect on Windows, start by downloading Macrium Reflect from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your system. After installation, launch Macrium Reflect from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. You will see a list of your connected drives, including your SSD. Select the SSD you wish to backup by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Next, click on the Image this disk option located in the toolbar. A new window will open, allowing you to choose a destination for the backup file. Select a suitable location with enough free space, like an external hard drive or a different internal drive. You can rename the backup file if desired, but the default name usually includes the date. Check the backup options to ensure they meet your needs, such as enabling or disabling compression. If you want to set a backup schedule, navigate to the Schedule tab in the same window. Follow the prompts to configure how often you want the backup to occur. Once settings are finalized, click on the Finish button to start the backup process. A progress window will display, showing the status of your backup. Once completed, you will receive a notification indicating the backup was successful. You can close the program once the process is finished. To ensure the backup is usable, consider reviewing the backup image in the destination folder. Regularly backing up your SSD will help protect your data effectively. Remember to store your backup in a safe location, ideally off-site or on a different device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.